I've gotten a few questions on how I did the awning in my Tuff shed. So this is a 14 by 10 Premier Pro tall ranch, and I just had the 4-foot door with the 4 windows in it installed on the right side, and then I left the rest of it just 4 walls, normal ridge vent. I'll kind of walk around the side here just to give you a feel, but it's just a basic Tuff shed in our local area. This is the biggest you can go without pouring a foundation. So it's just the galvanized steel right on the property. But anyway, so I cut a hole, framed it out. I'll show you the inside. I turned this whole thing into a pub shed. I installed these little hooks out here to help pull it and also hold from the tension. I just use those big hinges, and I used the siding from the hole that I cut, framed it out just like this. And I have some 150-pound gas strut shocks that hold it up. Haven't finished painting everything, but I did spray white, the same as our home. Got a TV in here, I ran power. So anyway, I just have these fence latches right into my framing here. You can see where I cut the joists. Let me go. Yeah, there we go. You can see where I cut the joists, and then just framed in the box. I put a bar in. And then I got these 150-pound gas struts. A few pilot holes there as I was tinkering with it, my first time doing them, so I got some putty work to do to clean it all up. But I just drilled right into the framing. So I got 2 latches on it. And then you can just push it up from the inside. And the gas struts open up. For me, I had to tinker with what I wanted to do in terms of the angle and the height. So where I put the opening, I'm about 6 foot, and I got 2-3 inches clearance as I walk under here without ducking down. So someone 6'3" or so would probably nick their head until they got past this opening. But I wanted a little bit of an angle for the rain and the shade. So we're facing east, and the opening actually faces west, so in the evening the sun can beat in there. But anyway, that's it. Bit of a mess right now as I'm figuring out my storage situation. But all in all, good. I just used some curtains here to hide crap under the bar. There you have it. Here, if you have questions, I couldn't find many videos on doing this soup to nuts. It was pretty easy though. Yeah, for sure. Blank slate. Woo. Oh, hello from inside my new primary residence. Even got power out here, although I haven't figured out how I'm gonna run it. There's a box right here. So sweet. Pretty excited, dude. I got these for free on Craigslist too. Bunch of redneck tables. There she is in all her glory. Of course, it's raining. Gonna look pretty nice once I sand it down.